Mamema wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so mesrel subscribe to my channel founsa mi abel ne so ubeya notification and se me koso o memu bia obenye bia tie anase ubenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha. His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo se waye Ghana mampani ontenase enne kire se ochima wa Ghana fana ha bebia na oko Central Region, Eastern Region, Western Region, Ashanti Region kire se bebia na His Excellency enam ho because ono ena waye Ghana pani ntine se odinani ekrem ewo region bia no hwe enema ekoso na His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo edinani ekremu ewo Northern Region ekohwe enema ekoso wo ho ekohwe enema ode ahya manfo sa se omoye anase enye na His Excellency ekodu Northern Region no one ho ahemfofo no edi nkomo na Nana Addo ne kasemu e na o kire se obeye president 1D1F planting for food and jobs napco ekoso youth no enye adwuma eye akwan so ededa so bebre na His Excellency ne kasemu e na o kire se ye predecessor former president John Dramani Mahama obeye president impo fi Northern Region wan hye na ya le papa bia wo hono mesa omo akwan yina enye but on Nana Addo no promise omo say wabeye president obe make sure say Northern Region akwan bebre na enye yina obe solve ya na so ombeye ansa na wafi abemu nti Nana Addo wa hye ahemfofo no ebo a o kire say omampani dada impo fi hono wanyo omo akwan but ono obe make sure so obe ya akwan yina ansa na wafi so na say na His Excellency etu.
Various interventions that the government has put in place since 2017. The free senior high school, planting for food and jobs, one village, one dam, the one district, one warehouse are all being well received here in the Upper East region. That particularly in the Kusao traditional area, all of these initiatives have been well received. So that all the five senior high school in the Kusao traditional area are benefiting from this policy. Bawku Senior High School, Bawku Senior High Technical School, Bawku Technical Institute, the Timpani Senior High Technical School, the Zebila Senior High Technical School are the five schools in the Kusao area who are all benefiting from the policy. And Bawku Naba, I've heard your plea for the boarding facilities to be extended to the Binduri school. Planting for Food and Jobs program is something that has been going on very well here, and very soon the distribution of this year's fertilizers will begin. And last year,
Omampani Nana Addo amananso ho kasai efa dam bese duana e wo mu asie ene hihya hodo ne ho no ka kwan so kakra na wo chese Upper East mantam no muguso yi akwan eti Bolgatanga Boko Polima Krom akwan ni nyina wo mo hwe na aban hihye bi agenda 111 wo mo de ye ayaresabia eti ogidi sem woni eni ayaresabia mensi no ayaresabia sem mansini mua ayaresabia district hospital eni enum wo mo wo kusa nso ebenya won chefa.
The road situation in Upper East is improving. It's not 100% the best, but it is improving. And I'm happy to see that the Bolga, Bawku, Pumako road is now 80% complete, and very soon it will be 100%. Bawku Naba, the NDC for whom you vote, they never did that road. I've come and I've done the road for you. I know how dear the road is to your heart, and that is why I said to you that in my time, I will complete that road. I'm almost there. And the same way too, the Bawku Principal Road, Street, as well as the bypass, the Bawku Highways bypass, are also going to start very, very soon. The Agenda 111, which is the initiative of my government to provide every district in the country that does not have a district hospital, includes the districts here in the Upper East region.
Omampani Nana Addo kasafa bambo ho wo Upper East mantam no ene amaye no amobo hye no entem wo kyerehya hodo a wo mo eye ene o kasa yan so se ehia se ye yire bambo mu se beye asakasaka ne hoye e wo ho no ebi ensane maye ha.
The proximity of your region to Burkina Faso makes it an obvious potential target for these murderers and criminals who want to destabilize, terrorize our lives in Ghana. Bawku Naba, you're aware of the measures that the government is taking to strengthen the security agencies here and protect us from terrorist attacks emanating from Burkina Faso. And I'm happy to inform you that a permanent barracks is going to be established here in this area to be able to address the issue of terrorism.
Omampani Nana Addo danko akufado aprobo awo.
The family you belong to, what's my show? Another president for being around for so did not him. You can't apply more penocre. You can't apply Ghana phone to ha. Me say Ghana phone to me say check the phone video. All because a check the phone to dinner and attempt a check the phone to annoy ya ha. Ghana for what to coin. Some of you are so much shame to yourself. We want to face Ghana. Ghana must face by the law. Why don't you tell your so-called move from say judiciary. Some law no nyɛ more Ghana. Na mo tia bloche mra na de bu ablochire. Emra enti wudi di ahon fanto fom. Emra enti wonu so ngugotam. Eda ho kra wutimi ndo so. Wutimi nyo kwate round so. Mama dia dia mo say, "Hey, atem di dia na de fisikro." Mo chimienti. We have to fight for the nation by the laws. Why don't you say it? Why don't you tell the good leader? Now I face the country. No, be able what's a minute in a talk? And idea, Ghana, no, I say we need to face some things. We need to face. No, I bet you some. Yes, you be the senator. Oh, Papa, president. Now because go on to form. Now me met form. Cause go on here Canada. Lower primary school, SLC, and ultimate medical school. Near Canada, senator. Oh, Papa, JJ Rollins, your president. Because go on here primary school fees. Near primary book. Yes, me book what it near primary. Now one hour by yesterday. Ghana for timidity ya to Obama obia ya to Obama it we honorable it also kasa Ghana for yentio honorable senator. Did you forget what your father did to Ghanaians? Let me speak English because you people know you call yourself say you don't understand Twi, you don't understand Ghanaian language because you was schooling in Europe. So let me speak my common English. Me, I'm not educated. I didn't go to free education. Your father time there was no free education. So I'm trying my best to speak vernacular for you to understand what I'm saying. Your father was a president. JJ Rollins is my hero. Due to what? JJ, no, you can't, Papa. On your own, and on quite an amenition. And so Nana Addo so let me go there to the point. Senator, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industrials which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If he was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was, how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Due to your father, Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital, healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, Papa, near the Kabi, in Yakan and Ekofum, in Yakaya Fro. eno na ɛyɛ adwuma ɛyɛ trɔtrɔ senator your father time enuaka na ne yɛfro edico school na kofo bae ebetu papa ɛna ɔde buses metro buses ɛba ne yɛfro yɛ ɛna Ghana fo yɛde bɔɔdeɛ gugu metro mass ɛna yɛsɛ no enti Ghana ntime fese Ghana fo no so yɛ yɛ problem kofo be fese yɛ no senator papa edi adeɛ saa tam no ana kofo bae eno ma kofo ye o papa wontimi anya bi o kra sese ka utwane ndisi kra ese ka utwane bibi foforo ne ehu the kind of mentality